Welcome to IP Service, learn IT tips and troubleshooting. Today in this video I will show you how to find IP address in Windows 11 internal and external, easy step by step. First of all, click start button and click setting, then go network and internet, then your Wi-Fi adapter properties, middle point here, click, and now we can show. Now you can see IPv4 version, IP address and gateway and DNS. Actually need IP address first. Second way, we are checking this, click CMD, command prompt, and run as administrator. Now we can type ipconfig. Now you can see your all adapter information, IPv4 address. Actually this is my LAN interface address. Now we can see in details, then type ipconfig /all. Now we can see all your adapter information step by step report here. Now we can see your actual adapter IPv4 address, your IP address, date, release date, lease expire date, and all other information is showing. Actually gateway, DHCP server, DHCP IPv4 address, and many more. Then close. Now we can see how to find your external IP address, then public IP. Browser, just type what is my IP address, ip.com. Now I will wait. Now we can see your public IP address and IP details. Thank you for watching IP Service. Like, comment, share and subscribe us.